Hey guys, welcome back. In this short video I'll be showing you how to install Python 3.12 on Windows 11 and give a short demonstration on running your first Python program. So Python is a versatile and widely used programming language on Windows due to its simplicity, extensive libraries and cross-platform capabilities. Whether you're developing applications, automating tasks, performing data analysis or pursuing various other computing tasks, Python can be a valuable tool on a Windows system. So to install it, go to python.org, then go to the download section and click the Python button under download for Windows. Once it's downloaded, double click the executable file to start the installation. In the installer you will see a checkbox that says add Python to path. Make sure to check this box. Adding Python to your path makes it easier to run Python straight from the command line. Now click install now. And the installer will begin installing on your system. Once it's complete and says setup was successful, just click the close button to exit the installation. So to verify the installation and create our first Python programs, we will go to the search menu and type in Python and simply click the Python app, and within here we can run our program. So the first program we will run is hello world, so print hello world, and you can see it worked successfully. We'll try one more. If x equals 2, y equals 4 and z equals x plus y, and then let's print z equals 6. So it's working successfully. Thanks for watching today, and I hope this was useful to you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.